In a land far away, nestled between the tallest trees, stood Honey Hill. This hill was known for its sweet, golden honey, and the industrious creatures that lived there, the waxmakers. The waxmakers were tiny, wingless insects that lived on the trees, and they had a unique gift. They could produce a precious substance called wax, which was highly sought after by the creatures of the land. One day, a greedy and ambitious waxmaker named Greedy Gus decided he wanted to gather more wax than anyone else. He believed that by producing more wax, he would be admired and respected by all. Gus worked tirelessly, climbing higher and higher on the trees, gathering wax day and night. But as he continued to collect more and more, he found himself overwhelmed. His home was filled with wax, his energy depleted, and he had neglected his friends and the beauty of Honey Hill. Meanwhile, a kind and wise waxmaker named Generous George saw Gus's struggle. He approached Gus and asked, "Why do you work so hard, Gus? You once were a joy to be around, always helping others and appreciating the beauty of our home. Now, all you do is gather wax." Gus replied, "I want to be admired and respected, George. I believe that by having more wax, I will achieve this." Generous George thought for a moment and then said, "Gus, let us go to the elders of Honey Hill. They will show us the true value of our gift." The elders listened to Gus's story and then spoke, "Gus, your gift of wax is indeed precious, but it is not the measure of your worth. The true value lies in how you use it. If you use it to help others and preserve the beauty of our home, then you will indeed be admired and respected." Gus realized his mistake and promised to change his ways. He began to gather just enough wax to help his friends and maintain Honey Hill's beauty. He found that by doing so, he was truly admired and respected, and he was once again a happy and content waxmaker. From that day forward, the waxmakers of Honey Hill learned the importance of balance and the true value of their gift. They understood that by using their gift wisely, they could create a harmonious and beautiful home for all. And so, the moral of this story is, do not let greed cloud your judgment. Value balance, wisdom, and kindness, for they will lead to true happiness and respect. ****